will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups sugar, 1/4 cup ghee, 2 tablespoons baking powder, few strands of saffron and 1 teaspoon cardamom. Start by combining the flour and baking powder. Add the ghee with a steady stream and crumble the mixture. Then add less than half cup of water in 3 parts to make the dough. The dough to be light is very critical for this recipe. Cover it with a damp cloth for at least 30 minutes. Spread out the dough and cut it into halves. Place the pieces one over the other and flatten it further. Now cut it into 5 parts and again place them one above the other so as to form such layers. Repeat this process one more time. Divide the dough into 12 equal parts. Pinch a small ball-sized dough and make them into balls. Create a dent in the center which will help in cooking the balushahis from the inside as we deep fry them. To make the sugar syrup, heat the sugar and water and bring to a boil. Then add the saffron and cardamom and simmer until you attain one string consistency. You can fry the balushahis in oil, but to enhance its taste, frying in ghee is recommended. Now soak them in warm sugar syrup. Enjoy the balushahis.